So you want to remember that Chinese characters are composed mostly of two parts, a sound part and a meaning part, which is the radical. So one of the characters we learned today is ni, which means you. So that's a person. So the radical for that is person. Remember, it's a slanted line and then a vertical line. And when it's on the side like that, person is stretched out a little bit. Normally, if like in ancient times, it would be something like that for person. But since it's going to be on the side, we write it like this. And this is the meaning part. And so on the right side anyway, is the sound part. And we start from the top and work our way down. So and left to right. So that's the top. And then a long vertical line, a little slant at the bottom. And then two little arms for ni. And in the pinyin, that's N, I, third tone. So ni is you, the radical you person, and the sound, which is not very accurate anymore for the sound, but that sometimes happens. So this is ni. So this is hao. Hao is composed of two parts. Like we talked about before, most Chinese characters are composed of a radical, which is the meaning part, and a sound part. So there's two components. This character is a little different. It's composed of two pictographs. Hao means good, and for ancient Chinese, what was good was to have a man and a woman, or a woman and a child. So this character for good is composed of two pictures, a woman and a child. So woman looks kind of strange, a vertical line with a little slant in the middle, and then another one to cross. Remember, we put the left side before the right side if we're going to cross something, and then put a top on it. So this is woman. Doesn't look much like a woman right now, but in ancient times, it was a pregnant woman, with a load on her back, which it's kind of sad, when we think about a woman doing all the work and being pregnant. But, it was 6,000 years ago or more. So this is woman, and then a child is kind of hooked at a line at the top, a curved line around down, and then cross it over. Does that look like a child to you? Maybe not, but if you look in the old ways, maybe 4,000 or 5,000 years ago, the character looked more like this, and that maybe looks more like a child. When we put a woman and a child together, that's good. So this character is hao, H-A-O, the third tone, hao. So good.